Welcome to part 2 of my mini braids takedown and also announcement for my next challenge. Thank you so much to all my new and returning subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you and the time you take to watch my content. So in my previous video, I did some measurements for you announcing the end of the challenge that ran from the 8th of May to the end of August. And I managed to get 2.5-inch growth in lots of places. And so that challenge has inspired me to continue with mini braid. I hope I don't disappoint anyone because at the start of the challenge, my intention was to take down all my hair and actually, give it a break and then go back in mini braids. Life got in the way and summer was being very, very busy and still is quite busy. So I'm planning to keep my hair in now until December. So just to let you know what I have done so far, all of my mini braids would have been taken out probably by the time this video is out. I've still got to take out a few. That means that they are running to week 14, 15 by this point because I am a bit delayed because of my holidays. And so you will be getting content now on my channel week by week starting from week 14 because the challenge will sort of continue from the 8th of May because my hair will continue to be in mini braids. However, those braids would have been refreshed. I've got sections on my hair that were refreshed 4 weeks ago and until today. So it's taken me a while to take down each braid and to redo them. I think you'll find this challenge quite interesting. It will show you if you keep mini braids in your hair for 7 months, what will happen. So technically, the challenge will continue from the 8th of May and go all the way to the 8th of December. I showed you in one of my previous videos, and you could also see in this video in real time how long it takes to take down one of my mini braids and to put it back in. In probably 3 weeks or so, I still wouldn't finish taking out my hair. That's because I'm really, really gentle. I don't want to rip my hair out. So it takes as long as it takes to take these down. And by the time I've done that and try to sort of like refresh my hair each time, it will be like a month. So I'm going to just keep these in long term. I'm going to have a very, very simple regimen running till December. I'll be doing week by week showing you my regimen and I'm hoping to really see maximum growth. Remember, one of the hair goals that I set for myself is to really have healthier hair, and I'm seeing that through mini braids, and so I'm going to continue doing that for 7 months. That's a great length of time to see real changes in my hair. I've already achieved 2.5 inches, and if I keep this till December, I'm sure I'll get at least 3 more inches. That will put me well on my way to achieving my goal of going to waist length. Once again, I do hope you are not too disappointed that you haven't seen all of my hair taken down. That will be in December. Life got in the way, life is still in the way, and I cannot take these braids out how I plan to. So I'm just continue to wear mini braids until December. Now, this challenge will be called Extreme Mini Braid Growth. It will be about keeping mini braids in your hair for 7 months. So I'll be giving you week by week transformation of my mini braids, and I'll continue to compare some of my previous mini braids. So lots of great content planned for you. It will not be boring at all. I do not think you'll be disappointed, and I think if you are also continuing on my previous challenge, you might want to try this out. This is for real extreme growth. I'm sure we will see a difference in our hair. Now, as stated before, taking down mini braids is very, very hard. I'm showing you a technique here where I go up about 3 bits of my plait and then I pull one and I take it down. That's been the easiest way I've found to take my mini braids out. Taking your mini braids out will depend on how you put them in. If you put them in like quite badly, it's going to be hard to take them down. So I go up about 3 notches on my mini braids and then I pull one hair and then I loosen. Hopefully you are seeing the technique, and that's how I've been taking them down. Still, with all of that, I haven't taken down more than 5 mini braids in one day and reinstall them. That's how long it takes to get this done. That would take an hour and a half, 2 hours. And the longer my hair gets, the longer this process will get. And so because I'm getting so much growth, it makes sense to just continue. Keeping your hair regimen simple really does pay off. Being consistent, being on it week by week. Once again, I will show you my regimen and how my hair is getting on. You are welcome to follow along this challenge, but I do know that it's not for everyone. It's going to be keeping a style in for a very long period of time to see how much my hair grows. And I've told you that mini braids has really transformed my hair. You can also check out my mini braids playlist where I've been documenting week by week even my previous challenge, which began in February. So what's happening now with my hair? My hair still has some braids in. They're about 14-15 weeks old because this video is behind. I'm going to be filming that for you and keep producing content around mini braids. You can expect lots of hair tips, videos. That's the basis of my channel, is to grow your natural hair. So there'll be lots of contents focused around growing your natural hair on there. Thank you so much for everyone who's joined the challenge around this content. There will be lots more of this content coming up. So just to recap then, I was going to take out my mini braids at the end of the challenge. However, I've decided to keep these in until December. That means I'm going to be doing back-to-back braids for extreme growth ending at the end of December. And I'm so excited for all the growth that I'm going to get because I've been getting so much growth, so much around the challenge. If you are looking for loose hair content, I do have plenty of content on my YouTube page. Do check out the playlist section for tips on how to grow your natural hair. Also, I've styled my hair in loose styles as well. And I do have how to style your natural hair playlist. Check that out for occasion hairstyles, styles for the summer, etc. So I do have a lot of videos already on this channel, over 240. So do check them all out. In terms of the challenge, Extreme Braid Growth Challenge, a lot of the content forward will focus on that, but also we'll be giving you general hair tips. In this video, I've shown you that taking down mini braids is quite long. It's taken me in real time about 5 minutes to take out one braid. That's because I'm also distracted, but that's because I have to be very careful because my braids have been in so long. It means that they are tangled and I need to take them out, you know, being very, very gentle. Also putting them back in takes a while, and so it's taking me a long time to take down my hair, and I'm taking out between 5 braids per day and about 10, taking them and putting them back in. But that means that some sections of my hair is over 4 weeks old, while some are just done. So all the sections of my hair is in different stages. I will be doing another video officially launching the challenge, telling you what I'll be doing. It'll be very, very simple, but do look out for that. And also, I've got week 14 and 15 updates for you because the challenge has continued, and I'm so excited to bring out all this content. I'm so excited because this year it seems that I am going to actually hit waist length, and you can too just by joining on to the challenge. So just a quick pull length stretch there for you, showing you that my hair has grown so much using mini braids. I encourage you to use mini braids. I will also be doing updated content on using clove. I've stopped using clove for a little while, and I've stopped using virgin hair fertilizer for a while, and I will let you know why, and also be giving you more content around my growth aids. I want to start using, probably from September, some of my own natural hair products as well. So there's plenty more coming up on Simply Shev. Stay tuned, and I will see you in my next video. Take care, and thank you so much for your support. Really means a lot to me.